Welcome, what a go on, each and everybody. Enough respect, enough manners. Guys, me still not take down my Christmas tree yet. No, me not take down my Christmas tree yet. Me soon take it down though. Guys, tomorrow. Yeah man, tomorrow my day. Yeah man, tomorrow me and Martin Luther King are the same birthday. See what I mean? Me look good though. Yeah man, me look good. Thank you very much. Yes. Anyway, guys, I want to say big up on yourself. Enough respect, enough manners. It's still New Year, fresh. But guys, you want to ask you if you do for me. I want to know, go over to Jamaica Sensation. Yeah. Check him out. He have a channel I go on. He not get no. He not get the vibes they want. So me ask you know, go check him out. Yeah man, go check him out. KC Adventure, big up. Nove and Ocean, big up on yourself. Maki Adventure, no say a word. Peace and love, my brother. And I say you don't know, Roxanne Kitchen up in England, enough respect. And Swizzle at Kitchen TV and member Shirley Day, no say a word. Peace and love. Now my viewers and subscribers, me get some calls, some phone call me get one phone call from Bahamas, one from Bermuda, and I think two from St. Vincent. Yes. And them talk to me good. And them explain certain things to me. However, my viewers and subscribers, I want to know if you watch this video from start to finish. When you watch the video from start to finish, you get the full understanding of what me really talk about in this specific video. If you don't watch my video, then I just watch half of them. This one, you need to watch this one from start to finish. Because this one, me go hard in me go explain everything in me go open the book of disrespect, deceitful, dishonest, lie, and all kind of thing. Me go put in this video. And the reason why I do this video this way is because me tired of it. Me tired to see it, and me tired to listen to it, and it is not good. So, if you're not ready, get on a popcorn or on a beer and take a seat. Make we go on a joy ride. Because this year one year, I go open a book of something where maybe you don't see. Me I go open the book. You know ready? Let's go for a ride. Ladies and gentlemen, you're back with me. Yeah, we're going on a ride now. As you see, you already see the thumbnail. But as you see, the picture on my TV is the one and only Daddy Gargon. People give him name, say him my YouTube daddy, and him a Colaz daddy, and all kind of something. But my viewers and subscribers, I want to open up a can of worm with this reaction video that I go do, and I go show you and ask Daddy Gargon himself, why is it that him, Daddy Gargon, dislike Oliver Lifestyle and dislike Colaz team? Yes, man, me say it, man. I know when me go to work, you know. And also, Dread, this video have nothing to do with you. Me not know your name. Me not know the name of your channel. So don't take up people business and come at me like you did the last time. You notice me never say nothing to you because you don't value nothing. But you hear me I say now, Daddy Gargon. Why is it, Daddy Gargon, come here, man. Come. You should not talk without you there. Come here, man. Have a seat over there, sir. Yeah, man, sit down. Me talk to you. Where you whistle? Oh, you know, carry a whistle today. You should have carried the whistle, man. Because remember, you did a coach, you know. You did a coach some youth. Yeah, man, you did a coach some youth. And you treat them rough. Yeah, man, the youth, you treat them bad. Them used to love the sport, but they never really like how you coach them. Yeah, man, you used to treat them rough. Yes, Daddy Gargon, you never know if you would find out that. You used to treat the youth them rough, so that's why you still have that mentality towards the youths them. You just want to bash them, but we go get towards that part, but no, we go talk about why do you dislike Oliver Lifestyle and dislike Oliver Unfiltered. Why you dislike the man? Oliver Lifestyle is the one who make me know about you. Oliver Lifestyle push you out there. But all of a sudden, you know, like Oliver Lifestyle. You dislike Oliver Lifestyle. And, you know, dislike Oliver Lifestyle because Oliver Lifestyle talk about, do the video about Gargon. You dislike Oliver Lifestyle long time. The reason why you dislike Oliver long time is because you believe and you call yourself Colaz soldier. Now, Daddy Gargon, let me say something to you. Let me go ask you this question. Do you think Colaz like what you really do and the videos they may make, I point them off for Oliver and I cuss off him people that might have around him? Eh? Me ask you a question, you know, Daddy Gargon. Talk up now, man. Do you think the man like that? You say you are Colaz soldier, but you disrespect everybody we're affiliated with Colaz. I wonder if you realize that. The only person you know disrespect yet we go around Colaz, you know, is Auntie Pauline. I don't know why you can't disrespect Auntie Pauline because you look friend. Yeah, man, you look friend from Auntie Pauline saying I go disrespect her. But you disrespect everybody we work around him away from Climber. Yes, Climber the only man you not touch it. Yeah, you not touch Climber. And you not touch what the brother name, the next one. But we so reach to that. We don't really want to jump into that. We are talking about Oliver first. Now, my viewers and subscribers, let me say this. Daddy Gargon having channel. And Daddy Gargon channel did it. Oliver Lifestyle help push out Daddy Gargon out there. For reach where him reach to the day. Then Daddy Gargon jump on to Colaz. Daddy Gargon like what Colaz I do. But here one problem in it. Colaz say in our video, when I do, saying like for listen to Oliver. Him saying like for listen to Oliver. That was when the pin go off in a Daddy Gargon head. Me have all kind of proof, man. Me just go know all of the proof them. And Daddy Gargon start to eat. Even though you hear Daddy Gargon talk about Oliver, yeah. Because up till now, Daddy Gargon can't prove or show anybody what Oliver do to him, why him dislike Oliver. But my viewers and subscribers, I want you to listen to this video where Daddy Gargon talk about fake picture where Oliver put up. Oliver meet Colaz and Climber and listen to Daddy Gargon talk about, and I say, oh, him now if he put up no picture, fake picture. Listen to him, and I'm going to show you the picture where Oliver put up. Me go show you it, and me go, listen me. Watch this video and listen to Daddy Gargon and do it for yourself and think. And watch this man's face and tell me, just tell me where this man really, I think, what him plan, and then we go in and some whole heap more or something, because I may have a whole heap. If you tell you no, watch the video.
Yes, my virgin and friend, bless myself, man. I'm in name Daddy Gargon, man. Colaz YouTube Daddy, man. We meet Colaz in person. I embrace him and shake him and reason with him. I meet him on picture. Real meet. So let me tell you something, man. Colaz is a country youth. Colaz come from country. So when I say, Colaz come from poor, big, humble family. Poor beginning. So when I say, and work himself up to high school. And make himself a man. And work himself right up to Parliament or the House of Representatives in Florida. Not bigger than that. So, a little man grew up in a country. The only time the man reach a town, I must school him go to town, and after that the man get him education and get a good job in the library. A nice job. And you address him as ghetto youth.
Sin, and everybody can pick up the pace. Yeah, some people are shy. Sin is just like a, you're not gonna have everybody we can run marathon. Yeah, some people are gonna try, but some people are gonna drop down. You see, yeah man, and that me say, and me say that I'm not take back the talk here. So watch you know, Mr. Colaz, it is good for you to get carried away, because you get carried away in a good way and not a bad way. See, any ghetto youth would get carried away. Just like my brethren Vibes Cartel, let's say. Every ghetto youth is a star. Don't take it for joke. And just because some youth don't get the help, see, and get a platform for himself. You see it? And some youth don't really under certain guide.
My viewers and subscribers, Oliver react to Colaz video and say Colaz as a ghetto youth. Oliver said that. Go over to Oliver channel and watch where Oliver react to Colaz video and say as a ghetto youth. Now, everybody use that word in Jamaica. Everybody use that word. It's a slang for a man say as a ghetto youth. And remember this. Colaz never do a video say, yo, no call me no ghetto youth. Colaz never do a video and say, no call me no ghetto youth. But Daddy Gargon have to do a video about Oliver calling Colaz a ghetto youth. What is the difference between a ghetto youth and a country youth? It's the same thing. It's only the ghetto. It's like some people look at ghetto as a rough part, which the country is also rough. It's the same thing. Even if you say I know the same thing, what does it have to do with Daddy Gargon? Daddy Gargon is not Colaz father. He is not Colaz mother. He have nothing to do with Colaz more on YouTube. Make we go and listen.
Well, Colaz know about ghetto. Colaz not a ghetto youth. Colaz is a country youth. Colaz is a humble youth. Badness a man talk about and when we do people and we don't do people and this and that. You never hear Colaz talk them something because Colaz don't know them something. Colaz are just like me.
Hold on, stop right there, sir. Hold on, you remember this song I say? I will make that tap right there, sir. Yeah, man, stop right there, sir. Colaz is nothing like you, man. Daddy Gargon, let me tell you something. Colaz is nothing like you. As a matter of fact, he is nothing like Colaz. Yeah, man, he is nothing like Colaz. Daddy Gargon, let me tell you something. This video where you make, because Oliver Unfiltered say Colaz a ghetto youth. You should be ashamed of yourself to make this video. Yes, you should be ashamed of yourself to make this video. Make you go and listen.
We speak truth, but we don't speak badness because I'm not bad man. We don't know nothing about badness. It's what I say. And the devil I talk about them praise God. A man who praise God in spirit and in truth and real. Man I chat about them. Who never got to try to control one dollar and one friend plate. Every Sunday we pay me.
My viewers and subscribers, listen. May I ask you please, listen to Daddy Gargon. I talk about Oliver without, me know some of you say, he no call Oliver name, but when him a talk about somebody, he not call them name. Me and him are different, somebody me a go call name. Yes, but watch Oliver video, go over Oliver, and you watch Oliver video, and voila, me go show you a clip too, how where him part of what him a talk about. Hold on.
Tithe and offering through the work of God. It's what I say, and me just make one video and say, me put my hand on Bible and swear and say me done certain things. I'm going to beg God reason with me and say, don't use my name them way. You don't apologize to people who should never get it. I will take you back.
Hold on a little bit. So you put your hand on the Bible and swear and apologize, and while you're asleep, God tell you say you shouldn't apologize to people where not forget it. Hold on a little bit. So God tell you if you take it back. You take it back. Yeah, you say you take it back. So I wish God you a serve. I wish God you a serve will tell you say you shouldn't swear upon the Bible and apologize to nobody we shouldn't get it. I wish God you a serve. Hold on a little bit, man. Which one of the God you a serve will tell you that? My viewers and subscriber, forgive me. Remember, Daddy Gargon say him no monetize him channel because nobody can unsubscribe on this because him not live off of YouTube. Him no get no money off of YouTube because him no want a subscriber have nothing over him, when at the same time subscribers is who helping Colaz and me and Oliver and the rest away. So my subscribers, no unsubscribes to me because me are going hard on him. Me are going very, very hard on him. So me are asking you please, cause without me can do my little business and have little extra money in my pocket for feed people when me want to feed people down at Jamaica there. So listen, continue listen to this brother where we just tell life on God a while ago. Listen.
It's a man say, that guy can't go and talk, man. Just go and talk, man. Because pure talk we don't have, you know. A pure talk we don't have. It's a man say, but I can't go and talk and so on. I say, me, Daddy Gargon, meet Colaz in real life and shake hand and deal with a man to man. I don't make me make up nothing and scream and I want like Colaz did there. Colaz not there. We can't post picture right now till next year with Colaz because enough picture we take. And a real picture them. And a thumbnail. You know what I'm saying? So, you see certain people like that, but don't let them go and talk, you know. Because me, from the day I'm born, clean like a whistle.
Listen me good now. Guys, me a beg you now. Go over to Oliver Unfiltered and see when Oliver Unfiltered make the video of him meeting with Colaz Smith and Climber. I hit Daddy Gargon and talk about say a fake picture and a picture where him do something too. Where Oliver do something too. Him say it. Him say him have many picture. Why am I do that? No, why is he doing that when he says he support Colaz? So if Colaz meet with Oliver Lifestyle, why that is a problem to Daddy Gargon? And we go show Daddy Gargon and teach Daddy Gargon that it is a real picture and it's a very important picture too. Me go show Daddy Gargon something, but make him go and talk here, sir.
We never got jail, we never got prison.
Alright, my viewers and subscriber. Listen how this brother has still. Oliver Lifestyle went to prison. Yes, Oliver Lifestyle went to prison. And you know, hide it until people say yes, he go to prison for the thing, the pipe, yeah, he went to prison. Listen to the Daddy Gargon.
You see what I say? So some man would come and argue with me because when I argue, just argue in vain. You see what I say? I'm 70-year-old, clean like whistle. The only thing we ever charge for in America, traffic violation. I'm going to court to pay my money. I'm not owe nobody nothing. You see what I say? I don't talk about foreign. I don't care about foreign. I don't care about foreign. I don't know.
Hold on, hear me now. Oh my God. What me say? Disrespect to the highest level. See what me I talk about? Disrespect to the highest level. What you mean if man can't come a foreign? Because you are say Oliver Lifestyle can't come a foreign because in the Ghana prison. What kind of statement are them there? You are 73-year-old. What kind of statement is that? What kind of violence is that you are put to a person when not trouble you? The man are making video. The man are doing video. The man doing video about who you want doing video about. You is not the owner of Colaz Smith. You can't tell a man say he can't make a video of Colaz Smith. No, Daddy Gargon. You know, me not against you, you know. Me not tell you, me not against you, but hear what me I say. You see when me make a video towards you and say, me happy say, you get the opportunity to meet Daddy Gargon. And you know, under that video, you see, your wife make a comment. My viewers and subscriber, see the comment there. Read the comment where the wife's, where Daddy Gargon wife say. Yeah, Daddy Gargon wife say, why me never come? The reason why me never really answer, because me not go do that to her. So me leave it alone. Yeah, me leave that alone. Because me see exactly what I go on. But Daddy Gargon, me say something to you. You hate. No, that is a big word. Me not gonna use that word. You dislike Colaz. No, misunderstood. My mistake. No. You dislike Oliver Lifestyle. Oliver Unfiltered. For what? For what? And let me say this to you. If you look at that picture, good. I'm going to show you the picture. My viewers and subscribers, by the way, watch this picture. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, you can see two of them. You can see when Colaz are walk away. So you can realize it's not something where you fix. Like you get up a capability and fix it. But also, Daddy Gargon, look at the video. Good. Go back and look at it. Which part do you think that video take? Which part do you think that meetup go on? That meetup go on up on Airport Road. Daddy Gargon. That meetup re-happen out on Airport Road. Look good again, no, man. So Daddy Gargon, if that meetup happen out on Airport Road, how comes it happen out on Airport Road? Let me teach you something. I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you how you have to sit down and rest yourself. How comes Colaz meet with Oliver on Airport Road? Answer, no, man. Come we talk, no, man. How come that happen? When him a come back from foreign? Cause me never know when Oliver I go back to Jamaica. No. As a matter of fact, Oliver not even did tell nobody say that day that him a left. Good on. All him do, you see a video, say him a hug up Auntie Pauline and him can one left. When me see that video, when me look and see the next video, Colaz in a house. So tell me how Colaz could have meet Oliver Lifestyle, aka Oliver Unfiltered. You want me to help you? No, man, no go, eh? No go, eh? Sit down. It must be that. You ready? I'm going to start over. It must be that Colaz and Oliver connect and say, make we meet there so. I wonder how you feel now. Hold on. I wonder how you feel now. You never look at it how you know. Let me help you, man. Cause let me help you. The only way Oliver I go meet with Colaz is if Colaz call Oliver or Colaz send Oliver a message and say, meet me there, sir. Where you go? You go hate Colaz now? You going to hate Colaz now because Colaz meet up with Oliver Lifestyle? Tell me if you go hate him now. Eh? You go dislike him now? Because you go meet him, you go shake him, man. You have want to picture with him. Listen, man. Colaz now want you to do that for him. Colaz now want you have him name a girl like how you have him name. I hate people in his name. Yeah, man. Colaz now want that, man. Colaz now want that, brother. And you have to stop it, man. You have to stop it, man. Me have a next video for you to, you know. This is about Oliver too. When you say you go at the event and you are the star at the event, How can you be a star at an event when Colaz is the one and only star in an event? You go as far as say, oh, Oliver never put the star boy in the show. How can you have a show without the star boy because you are the star up there? You are never know the star up there, man. Let me tell you what happened up there. When you're going to the place, you're sending your wife first. You wonder how me know that, don't you? You wonder how me know that. You're sending your wife first. And when you're sending your wife first, then you go in after. And when you go in there, you walk like you are one of the biggest shooter for your hip. Cause one side you walk on like you're Clarendon biggest Dan. See lady them, two lady where you go shake, if you go shake. Then and you notice one in a blue dress, and one in a blue shirt with like a jeans pants. You realize hey one in a jeans pants that shake your hand. But the one in a dress shake your hand. The one in a dress never did want to shake your hand, you know. But she said she doesn't make it look good. You wonder how me know that, don't you? You wonder how me know that? Me know that because I'm a friend them. Daddy Gargon, let me say this to you. You are talking about man can't come a foreign. Stop them things, man. Stop them things. All you there do a beat down on people. And guess what happened? Me see some people in your comment. And them love what you do. Them respect what you do. Even over the video where you blast Knife Ninja. Them love what you do. They love how you blast Knife Ninja. They love how you blast Josh. And Josh is not a part of Colaz TV. My viewers and subscribers, this video long already. So me go stop it yourself. And then me go come back with part 2 and part 3. Me tired of you, brother. Me tired of you, and me go open all of the book them and show you. This is part 1 about Oliver and you. This is part 1 of why you dislike Oliver for no reason at all, just because Oliver have a strong dealings with Colaz. Because guess what? Colaz respect what Oliver do. You are fight against Oliver because of what? Of what? I'm going to show you all the clips them. Now say a word, peace and love. My viewers and subscribers, remember, part 2 and part 3 is coming of why Daddy Gargon dislike Oliver over Colaz. Not at all. Stay tuned. More will come. And my viewers and subscribers, you know me I say. Go over to Daddy Gargon. Tell Daddy Gargon to stop with my man. And to the next.